Welcome to Supermicro's 2025 Open Storage Summit.
The AI world is hitting a big turning point. In the past few years, a couple dozen companies have led the charge in developing and training AI. And now we are seeing a big shift that enterprises are adopting AI at scale. And so this transition from the AI modeling to inference and real-time applications requires a new approach to computer infrastructure.
I think one thing is to make sure that you build everything. As a customer, you should be building everything on open standards, right? And I think that's one thing that all the vendors here embrace. And that's very important because the technology is going to change and evolve. Another thing is that you have to make sure that you begin with the end in mind. And when you do that, you have to think, how is this system going to go into production quickly?
When you look at it as a factory, there is a wide spectrum of AI workloads that it is going to run. And what happens there is that you've got to be very smart about what kind of infrastructure you're going to purchase or invest in. GPUs definitely are going to be part of it, but also there is space for CPUs and also a lot of other partners in the ecosystem, like the hardware, it could be disks, storage, it could be networking. A lot of decisions have to be made at that level. So the real key thing here is that by right-sizing your deployment, especially with an AI factory model, you can actually save a lot of money, right? And you can get to your ROI really quickly than compared to just not doing that calculations. So the real key there is to right-size and make the right investments to get the results you want, and that's really the key for that.
The ability to run on a very small footprint and provide millions of IOPS is basically what all of our customers are looking for. They want to have as many IO operations in as little as possible footprint in their data centers.